Find features that differentiate it from other brands for LAUNCH Creader HD V2 heavy-duty truck diagnostic scanner. Because consists of highlight features as follows. LAUNCH Creader HD V2 is a new generation of heavy truck diagnostic tool. It supports HDOBD and OBD-II. EOBD, featuring practical functions such as rapid reading of fault codes, clearing of fault codes, real-time display of data streams, graphical display, voltage detection, data printing, and I/M readiness status check. It meets the needs of various scenarios including daily maintenance and fault detection. LAUNCH CR HD V2 is compatible with protocols such as J1708, J1939, J1979, J1850, PWM, VPW and more, covering a variety of engines and vehicle models, suitable for Caterpillar, for Cummins, for Detroit, for Freightliner, for International, for Paycar and more. Equipped with OBD-I, 6-pin, OBD-I, 9-pin, CT 9-pin and OBD-II, 16-pin connectors, it can achieve compatibility with multiple devices and ensure stable plug-and-play connections. Dual-mode intelligent heavy-duty truck system diagnosis, automatic search mode, one-click automatic recognition of vehicle communication protocol, establishing fast, efficient, and convenient connections. Manual selection mode, professional personnel manually specify the selection system, with strong targeting, more accurate and flexible diagnosis. Different modes respond to different scenarios. Unlike many diagnostic scanners on the market, LAUNCH Creader HD V2 supports battery monitoring function, which reads the battery voltage through the OBD port to check the health status of the car battery. Simple and efficient, clear at a glance. Plug and play, diagnosis can be completed in just a few simple steps. At the same time, we offer lifetime free software upgrades to ensure that your diagnostic tools are compatible with the latest vehicle systems. Supported languages: English, French, Spanish. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.